Revitalize with Lumenant's Therapeutic Lighting. Feel energized during the day and sleep peacefully at night with our state-of-the-art solution. Our lights restore natural circadian rhythms by changing hue and brightness to mimic the sun, promoting active days and peaceful nights.
With Lumenant Solutions, it's really been beneficial for our residents that do suffer from some form of a cognitive impairment. Routine is paramount for anyone, but especially for our seniors. I think therapeutic lighting is a key part to our residents' lives, and it's changed their lifestyles substantially.
I think lighting is very important because lighting is part of being alive. It makes you feel joyful, and you feel good when you're in an environment that is pleasing.
Say goodbye to feeling tired and restless, and hello to a reinvigorated and refreshed lifestyle. Feel energized. A life of wellness starts with Lumenant.